All right, Super Peeps, this is lesson 4, part 2. We are still learning vocab words for econ, okay? We've learned scarcity, value, utility, incentives, TINSTAFL. We've gone over FOP, which is factors of production. We have gone over the 3 questions of econ: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce for. And so here are 2 more. This is trade-off and opportunity cost, okay? Trade-off is anything that you don't choose, okay? Opportunity cost is your second best choice that you need to remember. I will reiterate it. Trade-offs are anything I don't choose, and opportunity cost is my second best choice. So I'm going to go through a series of examples to help you understand this concept. We have to remember, too, that econ is all about choices because items are scarce. Boom. Let's do the first example. Ignore that slide. All right. You have 2 choices, a smart car or a 2018 Impala. What shall you choose? Those are your only 2 options. If it were me, I would choose the 2018 Impala because I feel like I will not be safe in a smart car. I feel like my life will end much sooner if I drive that. So therefore, my choice is the Impala. My second best choice is the smart car. Therefore, it becomes my opportunity cost. I mean, we could literally sit here and say, well, it's my second best choice, but we're economists now, so we have to call, oh, that's my opportunity cost. Okay? Let's do another one. Ivy Tech or IU? What's your first choice? Many of you might be sitting there thinking, well, it's going to be Ivy Tech because I don't want to go into debt. Okay. So Ivy Tech is your first choice. Therefore, IU would be your opportunity cost and your trade-off because it's what you gave up. So yes, it's a trade-off, but it's my second best choice. Therefore, it is my opportunity cost. Okay? Another one. Olive Garden and those awesome mints, or Fazoli's and the breadsticks. I'm going with Fazoli's because right now, the more I stare at that image, like, dang, I might be stopping there on my way home from work. So Fazoli's is my first choice. My trade-off is the Olive Garden. Therefore, the trade-off is my opportunity cost because it is my second best choice, what I gave up. Let's keep going. Target and Walmart. My first choice is Target. Therefore, my opportunity cost is Walmart. My second best choice. Corvette at $52,000. I believe, if memory serves me right, please correct me if I'm wrong, and Aston Martin. I'm going to pick the Aston Martin. Therefore, my opportunity cost, which is my second best choice, is the Corvette, which is also my trade-off. For me, I'm going to choose the Switch because I know how to work that controller really well. And so my trade-off, my opportunity cost, my second best choice, but then becomes the Xbox. Now this one's kind of fun. Have you ever been to the Alex Theater in Alexandria, Indiana? If you haven't, you need to go at least once. It is a really cheap date. They've got really cheap ticket prices and really cheap concessions. A little family runs it. You stick to the floor when you walk. I mean, it's totally old-timey. It's fun to go to once. I don't think the audio is that great, so I kind of struggle to hear part of the video or the movie. But it's fun to go to, especially if you have a big group, big family, you can afford it. But beware, there's a lot of parallel parking. So I don't go there a whole lot because I'm not strong at parallel parking. And of course, in the midst of this pandemic, Netflix would be a whole lot safer. Okay? But go to the Alex. It's fun. It's an adventure. So therefore, my first choice is Netflix. My opportunity cost is the Alex because it is what I gave up, and it is my second best choice. You can tell I am now being redundant. Whew. I uploaded a video from The Big Bang Theory. It's kind of pee in your pants funny. Sheldon cannot, for the life of him, make a decision on whether to buy a PlayStation or an Xbox. It's a funny video. Watch it. And it will help you understand the concept. The other video that I uploaded is a little cartoon, and it does an excellent job of explaining opportunity cost, and it is a great segue into our next lesson, which will be over the production possibility curve, boom economics. Okay, I hope you all are doing very well, and I know I say it all the time. Holler at me if you need anything.